Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to make this fun summer door swag. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Share this video with someone who likes to make wreaths, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. You can make this wreath for any season or holiday. I am just making mine for summer, and I'm going with a bee and lemon theme. I did not add a bow to this door swag, but you will need some 2.5-inch width ribbon to wrap the edge of the foam. I picked up my foam at Walmart, and it's about 2 inches thick and almost 12 inches in length, but you can buy your foam at Dollar Tree, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, places like that. Then you'll need to put a couple holes in the top to add a wire. Then I got a smaller piece of foam to add some height to my little bee. I used the larger bee from Michael's. I didn't use the two smaller bees from Dollar General. You are also going to need several spring or summer picks. Now my picks came from various places like Dollar Tree, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and Walmart. Next, you're going to want to take your foam and some hot glue and just carefully hot glue your ribbon around the outer edge of your block of foam. This just kind of dresses up the foam and gives it a more professional look. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks and Gorilla Glue hot glue gun, and I have mine on the low temp setting. When you're adding your ribbon around your foam, you might want to use some leftover ribbon or something, just a solid color ribbon, something that's not expensive, because this is not going to be used but just to cover the foam, just in case it shows from the sides. Today is May 2nd, 2022. Yesterday I posted a splatter screen wreath tutorial, and it has details for my May giveaway. So if you're entering this month's giveaway, make sure you go back and watch that video. I'll link it for you in the description box. And each video in May, if you're entering, also my DIYs and my Shop With Me video, you're going to want to write those 2 words in the comment section. I wanted the bumblebee to have some extra height on the door swag, so I added some hot glue to the foam, and then I set it in the center of the little bee and I let it dry. But when I picked it up, it did not hold, so I ended up using 2 wires to wire the little bee onto the swag, which that's a better option because you know when it's wired on, it's not going anywhere. Now I'm taking some wire and I'm going to the top of my foam where my husband added those 2 holes in it for me, and I'm just threading the wire through and then going to make a loop and twist the wires, and that way it's easy to hang up on my door or wall. I just used 20 gauge floral wire to secure my little bee onto the foam. And so he has that smaller piece of foam under him so that he has some extra height so that he does not get lost in the floral arrangement. Next, I'm using a bunch of pretty floral picks. I picked up those two at Hobby Lobby when they were on sale 50% off. Next, I have some flowers that I picked up on sale at Michael's. So I have two of the Hobby Lobby ones, three of the Michael's, and then I have a whole bunch from Dollar Tree. So I have a couple wildflowers, one of the cattail, and then these palm picks, two of them. They also came from Dollar Tree. And then the last flowers, I believe they're also from Dollar Tree. Now I did add some more flowers to make my arrangement larger, and they came from the same places as these flowers did. First, I started out with my longest, tallest picks, which are the two from Hobby Lobby, and my son cut about 6 inches off of the ends for me. Now you'll want to fluff your flowers as you go. Now you could add a little bit of hot glue onto the end before you push it into the foam, but I am going just right above the bee, and I'm pushing it in at an angle into the foam, and I want this piece to stand out and give the arrangement some height on the top and bottom. Just remember, when you're choosing your flowers, you want different heights, different types, colors, and textures in your floral arrangement. So choose a variety of textures, shapes, and sizes. And just remember, choose a few picks so that your arrangement has some length and some movement. This is a simple arrangement to make. I get lots of questions on how to make floral arrangements, and the easiest way for me to make an arrangement is like whatever I do on the top, I do on the bottom, or what I do on the left side, I do on the right side. It does not have to be perfect, but I try to do it as close as possible. So here I am just taking the palm branches, cut it into smaller pieces. So I like to, whether it's palm branches or any type of greenery, I like to kind of fill in around the bottom edge of the foam. Even though I am using this as a door swag, this would be a gorgeous centerpiece for your dining room table. So here I'm just taking the palm branches and I'm placing some at the top, and then I'm also going to repeat the same process with the palm branches at the bottom. Just remember, if you want your arrangement to be more secure, add a dot of hot glue onto the bottom of your pick before you push it into the foam. I am going to play some music for you, but if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer them. But like I said, what I do on the left, I do on the right, or what I do on the top, I try to repeat it on the bottom. Now in the video, I have some white petite daisies that I did add on the left and right side of the bumblebee, and then I added 4 lemons around the bumblebee too. If you plan on adding a bow to your door swag, I would recommend adding the bow when you add your bee and just placing it either above or below your bee or whatever you're using for the center of your door swag. These are the little daisies that I picked up at Michael's on sale. So I just cut them into shorter pieces and I just place them on the left side and the right side of the bumblebee. And then I also used the lemon picks from Walmart. I just cut some smaller pieces off of them and placed them around the bumblebee. For this store swag, I just basically went with different shades of yellow. But when you're picking out your flowers, I like to hold mine in my hand when I'm walking around the store and just kind of add flowers to my hand and see what works well together and what doesn't. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this bee and lemon themed door swag. I think it turned out really pretty. You'll have to let me know what you think. Don't forget to enter my May giveaway for a $25 gift card. If you shared this video, please let me know in the comments section. And if you're entering my May 2022 giveaway, that gives you an extra entry. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a beautiful week.